Good morning, students. How are you? Okay. It is social study period. Subject economics. Chapter 1. The story of village Palampur. Students, we have studied about factors of production in previous video like land, labor, fiscal, capital and entrepreneur. Today we shall study about the peculiarities of land and labor. Peculiarities means characteristics, विशेषताएं. लैंड और लेबर, इनकी विशेषताएं अलग अलग क्या हैं, इसकी स्टडी हम लोग करेंगे आज. First we study about the peculiarities of land. Number 1, land is nature's gift to man. It means in the formation of land, no any activity done by people, done by man. Land grow and develop naturally. That is why it is called as natural resource. Land is called natural resource. You know that any resource that develop or grow itself without the help of human being is called natural resource. In this way, it is said that land is natural gift to man. Land is fixed in second है, land is fixed in quantity. In our earth, the land is fixed. It cannot be increase or decrease. It means it has limitations and cannot extend or contract. It is said that land has no supply price. You know that many things, many goods sent in the market and according their supply price fixed. It means the price of the commodities depend on the supply of the commodities. If the supply of commodities or goods is more than the demand, then the price of that goods or commodity is less. But if the demand is more and supply is less, the price of goods or commodities increases. But the supply of land same, because it cannot extend or contract. It means the supply price is not fit for land price. The price may be high or low, but supply of land is remain, means no extension or contraction of the land. Its quantity is permanent fixed. Land is permanent. It means the land which is given by our nature is permanent. It is not perishable or destructive. It means it is fixed and permanent. यह एक स्थिर है, अस्थायी है. लाइन जो होती है वह स्थिर और अस्थायी होती है, यह कभी नष्ट नहीं होती. नंबर 4, लाइन lacks mobility. Mobility means movement. Mobility means movement. Everything can move from one place to another, maybe living or non-living, by itself or other things, but lion cannot mobilize, means lion cannot move from one and another place. In this way, we have studied about the lion, that is the gift of nature, having fixed quantity, no supply price. No supply price means ऐसी प्राइस जो सप्लाई पर डिपेंड करती है. अगर किसी चीज की सप्लाई ज्यादा होती है डिमांड के अनुसार तो उसकी प्राइस कम हो जाती है, और जब डिमांड के अनुसार उसकी सप्लाई कम होती है तो उसकी प्राइस ज्यादा हो जाती है. जमीन के मामले में ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है, क्योंकि उसकी क्वांटिटी फिक्स है, इसलिए उस पर एक सप्लाई और डिमांड की प्राइस लागू नहीं होती. नेक्स्ट है लैंड इज परमानेंट, मीन इट इज नॉट पेरिसेबल और टू बी डिस्ट्रॉयड. यह स्थिर है, यह नष्ट नहीं होने वाली है कभी. आफ्टर देन लैंड lacks mobility, means it has no movement. It cannot be transported from one place to other place. It is fixed. Next we shall study about the peculiarities of labor, means characteristics of labor. There is many confusion about the labor. What is labor? Labor means the working done by person, जो वह श्रम करता है. और कौन करता है? लेबरर. Laborer means workers are employed. Sometimes we know that the meaning of worker means farm workers, laborers, and the factory workers. But there is a broad meaning of laborer. Each and every person may be worker, employee, or self-employed. Those do work for their living. All those persons are workers. Maybe they do manual work, physical work, or mental work. Like a laborer of farm or factory work as physical work, manual work, but a manager, engineer, professor, doctor, lawyer, chartered accountant, all they also worker, but they work as mental work, not physical work. In this way, all the people, those are working in any area, in anywhere, they are worker. but there is difference. They are physical or manual worker or mental worker. Okay, understood. Now we explain about the peculiarity of labor. Labor is inseparable from the laborer himself. Means the working of a labor cannot separated from the labor. किसी लेबर की जो वर्किंग होती है, जो श्रम होता है, उसको उससे अलग नहीं किया जा सकता. लेबर हैज टू सेल हिज लेबर इन पर्सन, मे बी लिविंग पर्सन और artificial person. Artificial person means any institution, any company, any school, college, universities, all are artificial person. In this way, laborers sell their labor to person for time, 8 hours per day, 6 hours per day. In this way, laborers sell their labor to the person and they get money in return of their labor. Labor does not last. Labor does not last. It is perishable. Means working of people मीन्स श्रम जो करता है व्यक्ति, वह लंबे समय तक नहीं चलता. ये क्या है? पेरिसेबल है, डिस्ट्रॉयबल है. अगर वह वर्क नहीं करेगा तो उसका जो लेबर होगा, श्रम होगा, वो बेकार चला जाएगा. He has no real price. The laborer has to accept the wages offered to him. It means a laborer cannot fix its real price, but he has accepted the wages offered to him. लेबरर जो होता है वो अपनी एक फिक्स प्राइस नहीं रह सकता कि हम इतने पैसे में काम करेंगे, बल्कि जितना पैसा उसको मिलता है वह उतने पैसे में काम करने के लिए जाता है. जैसे कोई लेबरर अगर कहता है कि 600 मेरी मजदूरी है और देने वाले उसको 400, 450 या 500 तक ही दे रहे हैं, तो उसकी मजबूरी होगी कि उसको 500 में ही काम करना होगा. In this way we can say that laborer has no real price. Laborer has a very weak bargaining power. In this way, laborer has weak bargaining power. इसकी हिंदी होती है मोल भाव करना. जैसे मैंने अभी बताया कि 600 लूंगा, लेकिन उसको लोग 500 ही दे रहे हैं. अब वो नहीं लेगा अगर 500, तो उसका आज का दिन बेकार चला जाएगा. इसलिए मजबूरी में वह 500 पर काम करेगा. In this way we can say that laborer has weak bargaining power. There can be no rapid adjustment of the supply of labor to demand for it. Suppose that there is very high demand of laborers, but its adjustment impossible rapidly. अगर लेबरर्स की डिमांड ज्यादा हो जाती है तो इसको तुरंत व्यवस्थित करना मुश्किल है, असंभव है. 7. Changes in the price of labor react rather curiously on its supply. लेबर की प्राइस यानी मजदूरी जब बढ़ जाती है या चेंज होती है, कम होना या बढ़ जाना, उसका विशेष फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, उसका विशेष फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, क्योंकि मजदूर है, उनको मजदूरी करना है, मजदूरी बढ़े या घटे काम उनको करना है। In this way we have studied about the peculiarities of the laborer, means मजदूरी श्रम की विशेषता। There is a confusion that is land a capital? Now I try to solve this confusion. Land is fixed and permanent, but it is not a capital. Why it is not capital? Now try to explain it. Land is not regarded as capital because land is a free gift of nature, not made by man. That is why it is not capital. But the capital is made by man or produced by man. लैंड नेचुरल गिफ्ट है, जबकि कैपिटल जो है यह मैन मेड होता है या उसके द्वारा बनाया जाता है, वेल्थ इकट्ठा किया जाता है, मशीनें खरीदी जाती हैं। मे बी फिजिकल कैपिटल और वर्किंग कैपिटल ऑल आर मैन मेड। लैंड इज सेकंड है, लैंड इज indestructible and permanent, but capital is perishable. Means land cannot be destroyed, but capital may be. Capital जो है नासमान है, लेकिन लैंड जो है वह परमानेंट है, वह कभी भी नष्ट नहीं हो सकती। कैपिटल इज मोबाइल बट लैंड हैज नो मोबिलिटी। कैपिटल वो तभी है जब मोबाइल हो, मीन्स इट मूव्स फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, बट यू नो दैट land has no mobility, no motion. It cannot move from one place to another, like capital. Fourth, the amount of capital can be increased or decreased. Amount of capital can be increased or decreased, but the quantity of land is fixed. It means the quantity of land cannot be increased or decreased, but it is fixed and limited. कैपिटल को हम बढ़ा और घटा सकते हैं, लेकिन जमीन की मात्रा जो है न इसको हम कम कर सकते हैं न ज्यादा कर सकते हैं। इसकी क्वांटिटी फिक्स रहती है। Income from capital is uniform, whereas rent of land varies. It means income from capital goods. Income from capital goods are uniform, near about same. कैपिटल गुड्स से जो इनकम होती है वो लगभग समान होती है, बट लैंड का जो रेंट होता है वह भिन्न भिन्न होता है। स्थान के अनुसार उसका जो रेंट है, उसकी जो प्राइस है, कीमत है, वह सब अलग अलग होती है। बाय these descriptions we can say that land is a नॉट कैपिटल। लैंड इज नॉट ए कैपिटल। इस तरह से हम कह सकते हैं लैंड जो है वह कैपिटल नहीं है। ओके, थैंक यू।